Okay, every now and then I do something really stupid, and I can admit it. I can admit it. Although, when you're really, really tired, you do dumb things. Like, you do really. Man, so I was really tired earlier. I didn't realize how tired I was. I ordered another fog machine. I go to plug it in. Like, the first one I bought, it's smaller than my usual one. That doesn't work at all, right? The smaller one didn't work at all. So I have to send that back to Amazon. I ordered another one of the same brand. That probably was a mistake. I probably should have been like, listen, if I got one defective one, I got to switch brands. That was pretty stupid. But you don't know. I mean, the thing is every now and then you can get a defective one. So anyway, I get a new fog machine. I set it up. I hit the remote. That one doesn't work. I'm like, you seriously? So then I eat my lunch. I try my GoPro. I just had to buy a new battery for it because the battery died the other day. So I set that up. That's charging pretty well. Anyway, I go to turn it on. It just makes a bunch of beeps, and then the battery light won't stay on. So I'm thinking, okay, like if I have to get a new GoPro, it's not a huge deal. But some of them are like 350, and I really didn't want to drop 350 just like that. So I I took a nap. I came back to it. I had a little bit of coffee. I tried to charge it again. I'm like, why is this? The thing is it was on, but it just kept making these three beeps. So I looked down, and I'm like, dude, your memory card isn't in it. Like I forgot I took out my memory card. So it's like it's gonna make the three beeps, you gigantic jack wagon. Anyway, I'm relieved to get my GoPro back. I got a tripod. I got a tripod back there too. So I mean, I wasn't really sweating it because I get a new one. But the thing is I just don't want to like. I don't want to go a couple of days and figure out. Okay, I gotta buy a new. There's no reason to buy a new GoPro. Like unless you're not being a dummy. But man, I'm just relieved.